Okay, good days everyone. Today I want to share about this. Okay, this is a Hik Vision PT camera DS-2CV2Q21G1-IDW. Okay, so this model they come with the PT camera and also the power adapter and also the USB-C. Okay, so over here we able to power up by normal DC 5 watt. Okay, and this is the network, but now I want to show how we set up by using Wi-Fi. Okay, so over here, so you can pull, so the camera is like that, so you're able to pull it up. So do you see they pull it up, they have a reset button, they have a micro SD and also a reset button. So the micro SD we have to connect by using this location. Okay, so we just like this, plug inside. Okay, so that's all for the installation. So we plug the power. Okay, so now we have to just waiting.
Please use app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
Okay, so as you see, they have a blue LED blinking like this. We can using our Hikvision Hik-Connect apps. Okay, so we going to the Hik-Connect apps over here. Okay, we place plus, place scan QR code. Okay, just scan the bottom the QR code. Okay, so just now the blue already have a flashing blue already, so we take the already flashing blue. So now we have to configure our Wi-Fi. So we go into our Wi-Fi over here. Okay, do you see they have a TP-Link? Do you see they have a TP-Link 2.4? I'm using this Wi-Fi. Okay, so you just assume it's your home Wi-Fi. So I key in my this Wi-Fi password. Okay. Okay, so we join already. We back to our Hik-Connect. Then he will put the our username, our SSID and also our Wi-Fi password. And you click next. And you see they want to join the Wi-Fi soft API. You just join only. You just be patiently wait. Ready enough.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected.
As you see, they have a the camera are speaking that Wi-Fi are
Platform
connected.
registration successful. Configuration complete.
Okay, so we just follow. You want to put your home device name, you can put your home device name. Okay, click next over here. Finish, you want to use the microphone. And over here they have a mention SD card exception. Okay, as you see, this is my body, and this able to be a left, right, up, and down. Okay, you can select a preset and you can go into the rotating speed. You can control the speed and also the human following. Okay, now we have to do the format. Okay, you can click these three button options. Go into the settings. Do you see they have a recording settings? So event request record status. So the SD card we have to initialize. Okay. Meanwhile, you can check other things. So that it as a initialize by himself. So you can do a lot of setting over here. You can do the audio setting. You can do a light setting. Network setting about the Wi-Fi. You can know how many things. time zone device, intelligent detections, and PDZ. Petrol also available. Petrol also can be available. Okay, but for this camera, I not suggest that you use petrol often because it will harm the motor inside. Okay. So we take a look over here. I think we are able to do a playback already. Oh, no video in the setting range. Okay, but we take a time later. I think the SD card is still haven't formatting yet. So we have to wait for the certain time also. So we double check this recording. It's still initializing. Okay, so we're waiting. But this video I will fast forward. Okay, so the SD card are finished, format ready. So we return to the playback. I think they have to do some recording over here. So you can go into the playback and you can see I'm waiting for the
okay, so the SD card
to do the
finished, format ready. So
okay, thank you, and please like, subscribe to my channel.